Let's get some stock market commentary now from Michele Schneider of the MarketGauge Group. Michele, has anything shifted in this market that you can see?
Well, considering that I started out my entire career being more technical than fundamental, if we just look at the technicals right now, when the market had the swoon a couple of weeks ago, it was interesting to me that the small caps through the IWM held the June lows and looks like a potential double bottom. So we have keen eyes on the small and mid cap stocks right now because they could actually have a decent rally if everything holds up.
I'm so glad that you mentioned small caps, because sometimes small caps can be the canary in the coal mine to tell us what's going to happen next with the stock market. And you are seeing some strength there happening.
Well, absolutely. Let's just look at the tech stocks. Even though we have huge earnings coming up, they're going to be much more interest rate sensitive. And I think that's what we've seen so far is the small and mid caps are shaking off the higher yields. We have a weakening dollar, which could be good. And we have a focus really on doing things within the United States, considering that our relationships with sanctions, tariffs, stress with China, we're still trying now to put more focus on the industrial manufacturing side of the U.S. And that could be very positive for that whole area of the market.
What is your trade of the day?
Well, we have a lot of earnings, and there are obviously things that we have to look for. But if right now we will have Zion earning, and I'm particularly interested in the regional banks because speaking of outperformance, KRE, which is another member of my economic modern family, also has been doing better than, say, the SPY and the tech, Zion being one of those regional banks. So I think if we can see the Zion stock hold up at these current levels, we could see some upside there, particularly, like I said, if the whole market through the small caps continues to rally this week.
Thank you, as always, Mish.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.